We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button till when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with HYMC, and the stock continued to go higher and the overall market was pushing up higher as well. The SPY this morning was having volatility, but ended up pushing up higher for the day. Our SPY bot this morning since 11 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and put options were up 70% plus within minutes. And then later at 1 p.m., it sent us a bull indicator, and call options were up 2 to 3x within minutes to an hour, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to this resource to maximize in either direction within the volatility, and you can join the members using this resource to make opportunities within the volatility, receiving that edge that they deserve, and you can obtain that edge as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and the SPY bot and QQQ bot. So HYMC, we talked about this one on Friday. We addressed some of the things that were discussed in the comments section yesterday's video, and today we're gonna break it all down. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the three stocks I mentioned. Every single one of them gave 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%, but one of them gave 20% plus, and that was DATS. DATS, when I mentioned it, was pulling downwards. It was under a bull indicator in the pre-market, consolidating, hit a low there of about 204, and towards the bell started to pick up momentum. Full strength here on 42 vision, no bear indicator. This bull indicator held true, and it hit a highest point of 50% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into these charts. So here we are with HYMC stock roaring higher from Friday's close, and also going into today in the pre-market and all the way up towards aftermarket hours. We have some key levels to talk about. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, and gaining access to the clarity you deserve, receiving that edge within the volatility to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can join the members using this resource to maximize in either direction within the volatility of the stocks and the market and the charts. So here we are with HYMC, and it was under a bull indicator in the aftermarket hours. Now, on Friday, I made the video before this started to push higher. It was under a bear indicator, and I stated very clearly we need to see this break above certain resistance levels, which was 150, 156, based off the history of the chart, and then back all the way up here towards 175, 174, and then we can start talking about higher levels. And we wanted this bear indicator to get canceled by a bull indicator. Well, after I posted the video, a lot of people were excited about this stock aftermarket hours towards the end of the day. It had actually pushed higher. It got that bull indicator, and a lot of investors were talking in the comment section that, my video is delayed or it's not the right information. Well, I talked about things that actually happen in the charts, and actually we were looking for with 42 vision once things actually moved within the volatility in live action, and it all played out as I stated. And I talked about this in future tense of what could happen if we saw it happen before it happened. So this was way before the bull indicator popped up, way before all these moves. And here we are going into today, seeing that bear indicator getting canceled out, getting that bull indicator showing up, and all these things come into play to show why technical analysis is key and how 42 vision and clarity within the charts to maximize and have that edge within the volatility is so important, guys. Now, am I perfect? No. Am I stating that, I was correct and those comments were wrong? No, I'm not stating that, but I do want to clarify that because the comments that I received in the video, everybody's jumping too quick to conclusions. When I made the video before it happened, if you look at the recording, you could see me talking about the resistance levels. And if no bull indicator has popped up in the video, well, I talked about it needing to pop up. And if you had the live actual 42 vision on your charts, you would have saw exactly when this popped up, which actually popped up about 30 minutes to an hour after that recording when things started to pick up towards the end of the aftermarket hours. Because if I go into this and we zoom in and look at it from the 5-minute, you could see that a lot of that movement happened towards the end of the aftermarket hours. You could see those last two bars, that's the last 30 minutes to an hour, and then it rolled over into today, and you could see how strong things have been, and it's been under a bull indicator since way up here at 166 after getting negated here in this bear indicator when this bull indicator from the last aftermarket hours. But when you look at it with less volatility, you put the 30-minute, that bull indicator had popped up. I addressed that in yesterday's video, and here we are seeing full strength, and we have a lot to talk about here with Hymc moving forward because this is a big move. Why did it happen? Well, the offering has closed. That's what made it drop so fast and also sit sideways for some time. Now, this was awesome to see this amount of strength above $1, $1.10, and $1.20, okay? Those are some key support levels if they were ever to be retested or seen again, but very strong on Hymc for the bulls. Now, to the upside, we have key levels to talk about, but I want to look at this from the 4-hour as well and the 1 day. So on the 4-hour, you could see that today in the pre-market, it confirmed with a bull indicator. In the aftermarket hours on Friday, still had not popped up because this is the bigger picture. And you could see here how it shifted from dark green with red borders to dark green, bright green. And it got that bull indicator down here at 136. And it's all the way up here in the 230s, right? And on the 1 day, you could see that things have still held strong, right? So I would always refer back to how this has been under a bull indicator since down here at 71 cents, 70 cents give or take. And in this pullback, no bear indicator has popped up, no red bars have popped up, and this could be the setup for the next bull run. And here we are in the middle of another bull run, and we need to see how long it lasts. But this has been under a bull indicator and not canceled out based off the 1 day in the bigger picture with a bear indicator anywhere along this pullback and within this volatility. So a lot of strength there on the 1 day throughout all of these movements. So let's talk about the resistance levels. To the upside, we want to see this break above 240. It rejected it. That's going to be a key level. And to the highest point recently, 295 is going to be super important. I would just round that up to $3. Super key to see if things can break out to newer highs and also get close to the 52-week high from way back here when things were going downwards last year into this year. So super important to realize that the most recent high of 295 is not the 52-week high, but it's one of the highest points that we've seen so far, and $3 would be significant support area to bounce out to newer highs based off the history of the chart. Now, to the downside, the first support I would watch is 211, 210 if you want to round that down, and then below that all the way down here at 180, guys. Those are some key levels to the downside to see if the bulls are holding strong And even on that pullback, I'll be watching on the 30-minute if a bear indicator pops up on Ultimate 42 Vision to cancel out this bull indicator, or if it does like it did on the 1 day, that the bull indicator holds true, there's a slight pullback, and it could be the setup for the next bull run. So those key levels will be important, and what an explosive run today for HYMC after this offering. All that strength rolled over from Friday into today, and those that have 42 vision would have known that this has been under a bull indicator since way back here on the 30-minute. And on the 5-minute, as I pulled it up earlier, it actually was notified way earlier than expected, but I don't use that point for the videos. It's way too volatile to actually make videos and give you guys enough information on what's going on in the overall picture. But through the live action, you can have that edge on all different time frames of 42 vision and maximizing and receiving that clarity within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you guys can also join to go ahead and join the members with these resources to maximize within the volatility to either direction. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators and the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and being able to have that edge and clarity that you deserve. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.